How we doing, everyone? Here we have a Pavoni Professional. It needed a standard tune-up. The lever was stiff. It was hard to pull a shot. There was some leaking around the sight glass. But standard La Pavoni tune-up, just replace some gaskets and lube some things up. Let's run a shot.
That's what I was just thinking.
Build some pressure. Water's being released. And there we go. Look at that. Beautiful shot. Really good color, good stuff. That is a beautiful La Pavoni shot. And that's why I love these machines. It's about an ounce shot. This is a 2-ounce shot glass, but that's about an ounce espresso. Perfect amount. Good crema, good color. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.